What is going on, YouTube fam? Steven from the Vargas team here again, and welcome back to another property tour episode. So, what do I have in store for you all this week? Well, to be honest, not a whole lot. Just kidding. We definitely do have a great property tour this week. Unless you think that a 1-bedroom, 1.5 bath with a den in one of the best located areas for a condo in Miami is not a whole lot, then yeah, I guess I wasn't kidding. And that would make this video not for you. But for everybody else who thinks that is a whole lot, I introduce you to Canvas. So what is Canvas exactly? Well, it's a 38-story condo residence located in the arts and entertainment district of Miami. And the reason why this location is so perfect is that it puts you on the outskirts of downtown Miami and essentially in the middle between other neighborhoods that are very popular like Midtown, Wynwood, and Edgewater. All of which I would add are walking distance from Canvas. And that is only if you can, of course, bear the Miami heat. And no, I'm not talking about the sports team. I'm actually talking about the heat and the humidity more than anything. Why would you bear the Miami Heat, the sports team? That doesn't make any sense. Anyways, today's property tour is of a 1-bedroom plus den, and that is highlighted with a great rooftop amenities that this building has and sweeping views of the Miami skyline and Biscayne Bay, all for just $3,200 per month, which given today's rental prices and the current market that we're in, I think it's fair to say that $3,200 is a great option at Canvas that brings you a ton of value for this property. So let's dive into today's property tour. And as always, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to help support the growth of this channel, which, as you know, always aims to bring you guys a property tour video each and every single week, all for just a simple click of a subscribe button. I know, how can something so simple bring so much value? I ask myself that question every single day. So you click that subscribe button and I bring you guys these videos. Seems like a pretty fair trade-off to me. And with that being said, let's get started with today's property tour video. Thank you for making it this far. Remember that if you'd like to continue to see more Miami real estate property tour videos, you can always click on the playlist or any of the videos that are going to pop here on screen. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and ring that notification bell to be notified of my weekly property tour and Miami real estate content. Again, thanks for watching. I'll see you all next week. Take care and God bless.